My friend Miguel hasn't lived here for very long. He's from Mexico. The other day when we were working on our essays, Miss Rosen came over and pointed out a lot of mistakes on Miguel's paper. He has a hard time writing English.
Miguel, it looks like you've used the word chicken here, when I think you meant to use the word kitchen.
Some of the other kids overheard and started laughing at him. He looked really upset. I know if that happened to me, I would have felt really embarrassed and frustrated. I've been getting to know Miguel better lately. He's really cool. I wanted to do something to help him feel better.